Hello and welcome to the first lesson in this Procure to Pay module. In this lesson, we will talk about the definition of the Procure to Pay cycle. The name Procure to Pay cycle, this is a business end-to-end workflow. Under procurement, they have procure to pay cycle. Under finance, they have budget to report. Under HR, they have hire to retire. So when we talk about a business process, workflow, end-to-end process, that means it covers the whole scope from order initiation until we receive the goods, services, and make the payment for the supplier. So what is the procure to pay cycle? The procure to pay process is the coordinated and integrated action taken to fulfill a requirement for goods or services in a timely manner at a reasonable price. So this is the definition of procurement. That's what the procurement do. They need to acquire goods or services from the right supplier to be delivered to the right place at the right time with a reasonable price or best value for money. So it involves a number of sequential stages ranging from need identification to invoice approval and vendor payment. So in this process, we will go through each and every step of the procure to pay cycle, and we will provide supporting documents like email scripts, the email that you send to a supplier for the request that you need. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.